tornado warning. The National Weather Service in Jacksonville has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Camden County in southeastern Georgia, southeastern Glynn County in southeastern Georgia, until 5:30 p.m. At 5:03 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 8 miles southeast of Waverly, or 9 miles northeast of Woodbine, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact.
Okay, so that apparently cut off. Hold on.
Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Brunswick around 5:20 p.m. Jekyll Island around 5:25 p.m. St. Simon's Island around 5:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Dover Bluff. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following counties in Georgia: Camden and Glynn,